Hi everyone, welcome to Idea Board video classes. Today we are going to discuss about different forms of equation of a line. Now, in different forms of equation of a line, the first form is slope point form. Slope point form. The second one is 2-point form. Third one is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. The next one is intercept form. Fifth one, normal form. Normal form. The last one, symmetric and parametric form. Symmetric and parametric form. Now first we will discuss about a slope point form. Now come to first form, that is slope point form. What is slope point form? When slope is given, point is given, how to write down the equation of a line? When point is given, slope is given, how to find out the equation of a straight line? Now see the statement in this form. The equation of a straight line, the equation of a straight line passing through a point x1 y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. What is the statement? For slope point form, equation of a straight line passing through a point x1 y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now see the proof of this formula. First draw the coordinate axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. What is your given point? X1, y1. Suppose this is the point x1, y1. Draw a line passing through the point x1, y1. Now this is the required line. Now slope of the given line is m. So slope of this line is m. This line passing through the point x1, y1 and slope of this line is m. Now take a point on this required line. Let that point will be taken as x comma y. Denote the given point with a. Take this point as p. Now from the diagram, the points A and P lies on the required line. Now slope of a line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope of a straight line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So use that formula on these 2 points. So slope of line AP can be taken as y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Write down that points. Now denote the given point with a. Let a equals to x1, y1. Now slope of the required line equals to that is also given as a m. Let Px comma y be a point on the required line. Let Px comma y be a point on a required line. Now from the diagram, what is the slope of AP? Slope of line AP equals to, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. But what is the slope of line AP? Slope of this line AP is m. So in place of slope of line AP, you can substitute the value m. So m equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Now do the cross multiplication. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So equation of a straight line passing through a point x1 y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now see an example related to this slope point form. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line passing through a point one comma 2 and having slope minus 1. Find the equation of a line passing through a point 1 comma 2 and having slope minus 1. Now we need the equation of a line, that line passing through a point 1 comma 2 and slope of this line is minus 1. So find the equation of a line passing through a point 1 comma 2, slope of the line is minus 1. First denote the given point with x1 y1 and denote this slope with a letter m. Then apply the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So come to the solution. Denote the given point coordinates with x1 y1 and take the slope as small m. So slope m is equals to minus 1. Therefore required equation of line is what is the formula? Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Substitute the corresponding values. Y minus y1. y1 is 2. M value minus 1 into x minus x1. x1 value 1. Now multiply these two terms with this negative sign. Y minus 2 equal to minus x plus 1. Now bring these two terms from RHS to LHS. So x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. So required equation of the line is x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now come to the next form, 2-point form. Second form, 2-point form. Now what is 2-point form? When 2 points are given, how to find out the equation of the line passing through those 2 points? Now come to statement of this 2-point form. The equation of a straight line equation of a straight line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Equation of a straight line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now come to proof of this formula. First draw the coordinate axis. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis. What are the given points? x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now denote these 2 points in your xy plane. Suppose this is the point x1, y1. This is the point x2, y2. Now draw a line by passing through these 2 points. Now this is your required line. Now denote these 2 points with A, B. Now take a pointer on the required line AB. Suppose x comma y is a point on the line AB. Denote this point with P. So P x comma y be a pointer on the required line AB. Now from the diagram, what is the slope of line AP? Slope of line AP is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Slope of a line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So by using that formula, slope of AP can be taken as y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Now again, what is slope of line AB? Slope of line AB is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Note down those points. Now denote the given 2 points with A and B. So let A equals to x1 y1, B equals to x2 y2. Let P x comma y be a pointer on required line. Let P x comma y be a point on the required line. So what is slope of line AP? Slope of line AP equals to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Next, write down the slope of line AB. Slope of line AB equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, here and here we are writing the slope of same line. Slope of AP, this is the slope of AB. So, both these values represents the slope of same line. So, you can equate these 2 values. See once again, here and here we are writing the slope of same line. This is slope of AP, this is slope of AB. So, both these values represent the slope of the same line. So, you can equate these 2 values. So that is slope of AP is same as slope of line AB. Now equate these two values, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now from this, y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now what is the formula? Equation of a straight line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now here, if you look at the diagram, from the derivation of this formula, we are getting one more important condition. That is, the points A, P, B lie on the same line. 3 points A, P, B lie on the same line. It means these 3 points are said to be collinear points. Now here, if these 3 points are collinear, what you are applied the condition? Slope of AP equals to slope of line AB. So it means if 3 points are collinear, their slopes are equal. What is that important condition? If 3 points lies on the same line, those points are said to be collinear. If 3 points are collinear, then their slopes are equal. Now, from the proof of two-point form formula, we are getting one important condition. What is that condition? If 3 points are collinear, then their slopes are equal. So, write down that point. Suppose A, B, C are collinear points. A, B, C are collinear points. Then slope of line AB equals to slope of line BC equals to slope of line AC. So 3 points lies on the same line. So slope of line AB, which is same as slope of line BC, which is same as slope of AC. Very, very important condition. Previously we discussed two conditions on this collinear points concept. What are those two? If 3 points are collinear, we cannot form any triangle. It means area of triangle equals to 0. What is that condition? If 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle equals to 0. What is other condition? By using distance concept, if 3 points are collinear, then sum of the lengths of any two segments is equals to length of the other segment. Sum of lengths of any two line segments is equals to length of the third line segment. So that is the condition for collinear points by using distance concept. Now this is the third condition in collinear points concept. What is third condition? If 3 points are collinear, then their slopes are equal. Now see an example related to two-point form. find the equation of a line passing through the points 1, 2 and 3, 4. Find the equation of a line passing through the points 1, 2 and 3, 4. So what is the formula for 2-point form? Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. First denote the given 2 points with x1 y1 and x2 y2. Come to the solution. Let x1 y1 equals to 1, 2, x2 y2 equals to 3, 4. So therefore required equation of line is it means the line passing through these 2 points is formula y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Substitute the corresponding values in this formula. Y minus y1, y minus 2 equal to y2 minus y1, 4 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1 into x minus x1, x1 value 1. Now it is y minus 2 equals to 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 1 2 into x minus 1. Now y minus 2 equal to, now here 2 will be cancelled, x minus 1. Now bring these two terms from LHS to RHS. It is x minus y, this is plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore equation of a straight line passing through these 2 points is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0.